Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to speak about something very serious, something that affects many people in India but is often too ignored: racism. Recently, a woman from Meghalaya came forward with a heartbreaking story. She says that on the same day in Delhi, she faced verbal racial abuse twice, once in Kamla Nagar by a group of men on a scooter, and then again while traveling in metro. She spoke about how those remarks made her feel like I do not belong here, in her own country. This is appalling, unacceptable, and deeply painful. To the lady from Shillong, I see you, I hear you. Your courage in speaking up is inspiring. You deserve respect, dignity, and safety, whatever you are. What you endure is not just an isolated outrage, it reflects a larger wound in our society. You should never have to feel unsafe, disrespected, or alienated in our own land. I stand with you and with all Northeastern Indians and all marginalized communities in calling for accountability, awareness, and change. We often imagine racism as something that happens elsewhere, in foreign lands, but in India, discrimination based on appearance, region, language, caste, or ethnicity exists in many subtle and not so subtle forms. People from Northeast are stereotyped, told they are outsiders, Chinese, or subjected to slurs like chinky. In big cities and small towns alike, individuals from minority communities or linguistic minorities get stared at, mocked, questioned, or treated as second-class citizens. Sometimes it's institutional. Schools, workplace, police, all can be sites of bias, prejudice, and exclusion. And often people suffered in silence because they fear backlash, disbeliefs, or further discrimination. So while the headline today is about the woman from Shillong, her story echoes the experiences of many across India. Talking about the problem is necessary but not enough. Here are ways we as individuals and a society can work toward change. First, listen and believe victims. When someone shares their stories on discrimination, take it seriously. Second, speak out. Use your voice, online or offline, to call out racism when you see it. Silence allows it to continue. Third, report and seek justice. Encourage victims to file formal complaints. Authority must treat these cases with urgency. Fourth, educate ourselves. Learn about the histories, culture, and identities of different regions of India. Challenge your internal biases. Fifth, support community organizations. There are NGOs, helplines, and support groups working specially to the people from marginalized regions. Sixth, promote inclusive policies. Pushes for laws and norms that protect people from racial discrimination and enforce them strictly. To every Indian watching this, let this be a moment of reckoning. No one deserves to be treated as less than because of how they look, where they are from, or what language they speak. Let's stand together across states and communities to reject racism in all its forms. Let's make India a place where everyone belongs, where respect is universal, and where dignity is guaranteed for all. If you found this message meaningful, please like, share, and comment. Share your own stories if you have them, and help spread awareness. Let's make our voice heard. Thank you for watching. Stay kind, stay empathetic, and see you in the next video.